Hey, y'all, this Big Daddy. All right. Now, I know it's still winter time, almost spring, but I think we're gonna make some burnt ends today in the snow. Who feel like making some burnt ends in the snow? Y'all down for that? Y'all want some burnt ends? You like burnt ends? I like burnt ends. All right, now, keep watching. Big Daddy's Texas Barbecue, YouTube. Subscribe, like, leave some comments. Let me know what you think. Smoke something. Okay, at this point, you see the separation? This is the flat, and this is where the round begins. And it's layer flat, so you can literally use your hand. If you follow my procedure, you don't even need the knife to separate it. You just use your hand and separate it that way. All right. Okay. Now, for those of you that want to take it off before you even slice it, this is your brisket. Here's the round, here's the flat. You see this hump right here? Put that facing away from your stomach. And right on top of that hump, you have this groove right here. It's on different every brisket, but it's basically the same. So you just slide your finger off of there if it's not too hot. Thick gloves help, folks. You just follow that fat piece. Slice in between that line. Look at these juices. You can flip it over, lift it up, and just follow the flat line. Now, this is a pretty decent round where we can make some burnt ends. All right, folks. Now, this is how we are going to make the burnt ends. You take that round that we showed you in the last video. And remember, we cut against the grain, so the grain is going this way. So we're going to take it, turn it this way. Now, I like to do about 1-inch squares. Tried to save that piece from breaking off, but I wasn't successful. Okay, then we get it, just turn it to the side. Turning it to the side makes it easier for you to come back across. Just do your cuts. There we go. Just that simple. And then come back, you get you a pan. Place them in the pan. I like to leave them basically as much of the same order that they were in when I cut it. Then I'll just come back, slice these right in half. Now they're the appropriate size. And just find a place to put them in. Alright, so I got the cut up pieces in. Then what I do is I come back and nice medium coating of the rub again. And after that, I come back with a barbecue drizzle. Try to hit everything I can. Every little piece. You don't want to do too much, but you do want to try to get somewhat of a candy coat over it. Alright, there we go. Then it'll go back on the smoker for a couple hours. I'd say at 275, probably about another 2.5 hours maybe. 300, you do 2 hours. 250, go with 3.5. Alright now, got these burnt ends on. A couple more briskets too. More important, the burnt ends. Alright, check this burnt end. Alright you guys, they're finished now. They've rendered down. They look beautiful. They smell amazing. They're nice and juicy. Man, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys learned something today. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the comment section and I'll get with you as soon as I can. Subscribe, like, and once again, thanks for watching. Big Daddy's Texas. I hope you learn how to make these burnt ends. Smoke some. Yeah, that's it right there. Big Daddy's Texas barbecue, burnt ends, smoke something.